Oh, I'm doing this live to clarify some things, and I'm gonna be honest, meron akong notes here para wala akong ma-miss na points. Okay. So, a few weeks ago, I talked to one of her admins. He or she told me that she was confused why I went to her fan meet. I went there to support her kasi sinuportahan niya din ako nung nag-fashion show ako sa Thailand. So that was my intention. Before deciding if I should go or not, I asked one of her fans na part din nung team niya if I should go. And meron din mga lives na yung mga admins niya tinatanong ako if pupunta ba ako or not, ganyan. So, for me, parang walang negative energy, like walang nagpa-feel sa akin na wag ka na pumunta or ganun. So, here yung conversation namin. So, yun. Diniem ko siya. Sabi ko, hey, help me. I really don't know if I should go to her fan meet. Kasi diba, syempre, fans niya yun. Ayoko masira yung event. Ayoko masira yung moment with them. After na lang ba, may time pa ba siya? And then she replied, I guess it's okay lang naman if gusto mo talaga pumunta sa fan meet. Ang gagawin lang naman dun is meet and greet, tas may pa-games, tas may konting intermission siya. If gusto mo, kahit after games ka na pumunta dun, or after mismo ng event. Kasi alam mo, I think after the event, magsistay siya dun to party with the fans. And then, I replied, I said, that's what I'm thinking too. What if after na lang nung program, tingin mo di naman parang eksena ako na agawin yung moment nila ganun? She replied, sabi niya, hindi yan. Tsaka update din kita kung magstay kami doon or lipat kami ng club. And then, I said, yes, ganun na lang. If magstay kayo doon, punta ako. Tapos, if lipat kayo ng club, better. And then, I paid for 3 tickets. For me, Eros, and Lou. So the fan meet happened. We went there to purely support her. And it was never my intention to make her or anyone to feel uncomfortable that night. The next day, I saw someone from her team. Same girl, she liked a tweet saying that I took advantage of someone. It bothered me, as in, it really bothered me. Kasi baka nga, yun yung nafe-feel niya. So yun, I messaged her privately. And then, ito yung conversation namin. I said, hey, I'm sorry for my actions last night. I'm sorry if you felt like I took advantage of you. If I was too touchy and made you feel uncomfortable. It will never happen again. I'm also sorry for attending your fan meet. I just really wanted to support you. I will stop now. Thank you for everything. Then she replied, it's okay. Maybe it's the influence of alcohol. Ha 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 ha. Don't think too much. And please, please don't drink and drive again. It's dangerous. And then I replied again, I'm really sorry. Thank you for the 3 happy months. I will stop everything now. Take care of yourself, okay? And then she replied, oh, okay. If that's what you want, I'll respect that. Then I liked it lang, yung message niya. So I thought that was the end of it. Yun rin yung reason kung bakit lumayo na ako sa ship. Hindi na ako nakipag-interact because fake fan service will never be my thing. And also, one of her admins told me that tingin nila I was just using this ship for my business. I just want to clear things up. Lahat ng ginagawa ko for my brand, lahat ng na-achieve namin, pinaghirapan ko yun. Pinagtrabahuhan namin ng team ko yun. Pinag-ipunan ko yun to afford one of the top endorsers here in the Philippines. Also, to your Filipino admins, just so you guys know, I am aware sa lahat ng conversations nyo. Ang akin lang, sana, since nandun na kayo, andun kayo sa event, right? Sana, sinabi nyo na lang sa akin, personally, yung mga sinasabi nyo sa group chat. Or kahit sa mga friends ko na nandun din. Because after all, pare-parehas lang naman tayong fans. And we want nothing but the best for her. Always. Alam nyo yan. Lagi kong sinasabi yan. It's hurt, pero I still have I have nothing against you guys. Kahit na wala akong na-receive na apology personally. And to you, I sincerely apologize for making you feel uncomfortable that night. It was never my intention, as in never talaga. That's the last thing that I want you to feel. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for making you feel that way. I wish nothing but the best for you, and I hope you take care of yourself always. I'm really sorry. This is the last time that I will speak about this, because honestly, this has been affecting my mental health. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.